chief guest tonight, the resident district commissioner, who is also sitting as the minister today, my brother Nok Kidega, the Honorable MP Emeritus, the former woman MP of Agago, Honorable Franca Akelo, the Lord Mayor, who is here, Honorable Santos San, your colleague, chairpersons of the sub-counties of Adilang and all the local leaders. Our mayor from a sister city in Germany. Please, our guest from Germany, our dear director, engineer Emmanuel Obo, who is the chairman board of AVTI. Mr. Bo also is my brother-in-law, with your dear wife, Bena Anek. Bena is our youngest girl. The elders here, the leadership of the institution, AVTI, the community at large. Amoro Weng ba? Amoro Weng. And Peter Anyuta Nyura, and Otto Edward Makmot. I'm not a visitor here, this is home. But for the benefit of our visitors, maybe I was here last year also at the graduation. But for the new ones, I am Otto Edward Makmot. I'm a former member of parliament for this area. I represented Agago in the national parliament. And I also was entrusted by the director to commission the board last year for Dongo, the NGO, and also for the AVTI that I did yesterday and today. I think you were witnessing that. But for the community, ana unungea mape mukene nupa waje tutwalba unungea mape tutwalento Omera Emmanuel o miati mo manok na nen majo mukene put po bino o chake la wo beru ka kongu bacha commissioner madoro lok me konge boni commissioner bot ala wo doro akon bod me Dilang Vocational Training Institute ki ne mo chaben wa ko me Dongo paju wa me gi certificate cha mo nanen meno antu ya yom tutwal ni atie kedu ini no matin ginma emi keda wa luo kede ki wele watika temone yomu chunya tutwal piani kin dreams megani mafura cha bana nok ke gwe otiana cha porro endo mera himi bino o temo gin mano chunyati ye ni miel ko teme paju kan ma tie ki genni bi lokko paju chunya bana yom ni karama hemi o apono binu borra wanu beru ka chele yo entebe o waji Makmot en penyu tam tiyu ki darma duong consulting tikiriao mingeche ento penyu benitam emu binu bora ganga waji Makmot ki nenu ni maya itera ngoma waromo timu payo makonyo tijo mamero konya walogo lokman mi adilang inen mogo chaden walogo lokman watamani ginna dong nero payo inena polkitino gitie ma giperon kwani level malamal Achi robot commissioner with Papito Doc Robert Owachani en makaloni ki bloni technical school chapken dan penyang ngoma technical school beru gin makalon ket mauna ro bonane wayne pat ke man piene me rekire makaloni miel ko bedingo senior 4 iwinyo ento man yini donyu kere yin pio senior 4 iwinyo kiloni polytechnic ma pire tek piani pol buru mamea kinge lueny mutime paju kany Pitege Kero, Michir secondary school, Pitege Kero, Michir technical school, Pitege Lunurugi Peki Kero, Michalogi University, Michir senior six. Ento manne jolo dano, 11 mala ping, the kind of one to know per year. So I'm here for engineer Hemi, Piket to Manity. Lokune yot, enter work kubet kaman, Manyako Nige, Makela Loga Kaman, the yot. So I really want to thank Engineer Hemi through his friends who have made this dream a reality. This is what we call a polytechnic. This is a concept which we don't have in Agago. What we have in Kalongo is a technical school. You must have finished senior 4 before you can enter a technical school. There is one in Pade, but a polytechnic that takes people at a lower level like this, where the majority of our youth are having a problem, are missing a future, has not been there. So this is a generational achievement. And we really thank you. And I think, like Father said, this is a gift from God. We have not had this. And I pray that this continues. So I think those are my words. I offer my support. I'm so happy that this is continuing, that this kind of development is going on. And we will continue to stand with the board to support them. Actually, what you need, CHL pay out there. We're there, no yabe mir wa jol ko ni. Board chung ba chok kere, donors chung ba chok, one jo kere wa mako budero kitete, we're there make yari. Ti an mega mere yom pinji ken, ki forge in your matin, ni aloga tia me paju, donc aloga ni kanyi wanero chake ne ento kanyo biyoye, a mero de university. This is not going to stop at the point. After we have educated all these youth, we want a university now. That is, we're going beyond that. We want professors and we need to change this village. I lived in Canada for about 15 years. I come here, I see what is going in our village. It is just, I cannot do it alone. It is a dream, it pains me. But I'm so happy that some of the wounds, the scars that we have seen is now changing and becoming real. And it needs all of us. It needs all of us. Mero dano weng, yin me kiro latini kany, yin me ti volunteering me very board, yin me kiro latino mwani kany, yin me mi ongom, yin me tika lega, un weng luponya ke kitino, muke rutin me kwan, yin me di mi latini teach, kala tiro kiro kwan mi ke mi teach, un weng pi utek pi wan. Mana dia lok chalo latin pajo wan ka dongo yo wake tela dongo na senior citizen. People big Agitela is not the end of leadership. We still have a role to play and will continue to play. And Adilang is getting blessed. We are witnessing. Mayor, you can see we have David Fogarty here. We are now having this. I've never seen this. Is a miracle. It is restoring my faith. Many times we pray, God. But I hear miracles that happened those days, but I'm now seeing miracles in my own time. This is a testimony of the goodness of the Lord. So, I can talk until the cows come back home. But, dope pangeo merma wali merma weri do lope miet do kata. You can be one of the way ye do remi komba. And put people what you may have Carletia. Joker Veticat, what they can give a good for it. Calapay. I'm more a cream of a day. What told you for? Anna Peggy Locomadong, Bonara DC. Thank you so much. I know you signed a letter recently. Although it delayed, I said better late than never. With that letter, we are going to the ministry. We have already applied to the ministry. We are getting a letter from the line ministry. We are getting all our documents in order. Thank you for signing the letter. There is still a lot of work to be done. My brother, I want to thank you publicly. You are not only a brother, but a friend. We have shared many things. I'm your lawyer at the engineering company. You've also given me the trust to help with this. I want to confirm publicly that we will not disappoint you. We will continue within our means as human beings to support. I think I've said a lot. Thank you, people. Congratulations. I think I'm forgetting that we are here for a graduation. Congratulations, our children. God bless you in your journey. Let me leave it like that. And for the community, Uchung KCLK institution, man, who supporting Kitching Wapa. Uwinu, kera para big pero me. Uwinu, mero gin ma mero weko botu, la chuechu goku, ana fo ritual, kaka ano ramo dok pajo. La chuechu goku wa fo ritual.
Foy matek, kaditi merwa dong ching me